So let's see how employees will make these reports. Just click on Hi Hello HR. In this you have to add the ID, company ID according to your company. I'm just adding mine. And this you have to select employee login and then username. Enter username. I'm just adding mine. You can add according to your. And in this you have to add the password according to you. I'm just adding mine. You can add your password here and click on login. In this you will see this dashboard, you can see here, and just click on 3 lines. In this click on reports. You will get 2 sections like field report and visitor report. Just first click on field reports. In this you have to click on add new button. In this select the project in which you are working and the title. You can add date, anything else according to you. I'm just adding the date. You can add according to you, whatever you want to add in this. And this save, and just click on this and click on add new button. And you can take a picture of anything like where you have visited. You can click a picture of that place where you have visited. Just click on, just tick, and it will click. And you can write notes here, like for example I'm writing meeting completed with XYZ company. You can add according to you. Just save. It will be saved in this, and in the report section your admin can see your report.